Hello everyone, welcome to the digital content module 5 week 1. So in this module we'll be starting with the mathematical library methods and then we'll be doing some programs based on if-else constructs. So let's start with the mathematical library methods. So the library methods are the built-in methods designed by the developers. These predefined functions helps the user to perform certain tasks easily and quickly and are frequently used in the Java programming. In this unit, we will be learning some mathematical functions which are included in a class called math, M-A-T-H, under java.lang package, which is the default package of Java. The first one is the ABS function. The function returns absolute value of a numeric data by ignoring its sign, plus or minus. That is, the syntax will be mat.abs and then inside we need to write the argument. So if we are giving an integer argument, it will return you a integer value. Okay, minus 73 is given as an argument, so it returns you positive 73. Similarly, when a double or float argument is passed, there will get the answer in the double format or float format. Move on to the next one, that is the square root function. Now this function returns the square root of a positive number. Okay, and the return type of this function is always double. Okay, so mat.square root 81, when I write, it gives 9.0. Mat.square root will not be able to calculate the square root of any negative number. In that case, no output will be displayed. The next function is the pow function. This function is used to find the power of a numeric data. Mat.pow argument, comma, power value. So when I am writing mat.pow 2, 3, it returns you the result as 8.0. It also returns you a double value always. Next is the max function. It will return the greater number among two arguments. So the example is mat.max 15, 20. So the output obviously it will be 20. Mat.max minus 15, minus 20. Output will be minus 15. Move on to the next one. It is similar to that of max function. It returns the smallest among the arguments. So mat.min argument 1, argument 2. In that case, the smaller value will be displayed. The next one is the ceil function. Ceil function is very important. Okay. The function returns the smallest whole number greater than or equal to the number by rounding up. As the name is ceil means higher value. Okay. So when you are writing mat.ceil 23.8, it will return you result as 24.0. Similarly, when you write mat.ceil minus 23.8, in that case it will just be the reverse, that is, it will return you minus 23, as minus 23 is greater than minus 24. Move on to the next one, that is the floor function. The floor function returns the largest whole number less than or equal to the number by rounding down. It is just the reverse of the ceil function. Okay, ceil is up, floor is down. So mat.floor 15.3 will return you result as 15.0. Similarly, if we go for the negative one, it will give you the result as minus 16. Okay, so if I write minus 15.3, then it will return you minus 16.0. CBRT function is similar to that of SQRT function. It returns the cube root of the function argument. So when I am writing mat.cbrt 125, it will give you result as 5.0. And we have to remember one thing, mat.cbrt always returns you a double value. The next one is the rint function. The function returns the double value that is closest in the value to the argument and is equal to the mathematical integer. Okay, in case of 0.5 at decimal place, it will round off to the nearest even double value. This is very important to understand. Suppose you have mat.rint 14.767, so it will return you 15, but the same argument, if it is mat.rint 13.767, in that case it will return you mat.rint 13.767, it will return you 13. Next is the round function. The method returns the value of the argument with maybe either float or double type round to the nearest integer. So mat.round minus 14.7 will return you minus 15.0. Thank you, children.